This is a Frigidaire refrigerator, and the handle on the refrigerator door has broken off. These things are about $35 to $40 to replace, and I'll show you how to repair this instead of having to replace it. The first thing is to take these two screws out to get this plastic part out. So now if you were to crazy glue this on, or epoxy it, or use some kind of glue to attach it, it's never going to work. It's eventually going to break open again. So the correct way to join these parts together is to use a plastic welding iron. The way this works is that the iron will melt the plastic, and when it cools, the plastic will join at a molecular level and it'll become as one piece. To start the repair, I'm going to use some super glue to tack the parts together, so it'll just be easier to handle. To further reinforce the weld, you could embed a piece of metal into the plastic, kind of acting as rebar inside of the plastic. And what I'll do is I'll form it to fit around these screw holes. So now it's time to weld the metal inside of the plastic. And the way you do this is you apply heat to the paper clip first, and as that heats up, it'll sink into the plastic. Once the paper clip's embedded, melt the plastic around the joints to fuse them together and smooth out the plastic. So my welding iron came with some extra plastic and some wire mesh. So you could use this instead of the paper clip as well. Alright, so I just finished, and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to give it a few minutes for it to cool down. I started off with a 80 grit, now I'm working my way up to a finer 200 grit sandpaper. And then we could take a drill bit and then re-drill the holes out. If your refrigerator is missing the screw that the handle is going to attach to, I'll provide an Amazon link below where you could purchase one. And these screws are ridiculously expensive. Alright, so the repair is done, the paint's dried, so now it's time to install this. So there you have it. It's a repaired handle and you don't need to buy a new one. So if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.